and welcome to our presentation. Today we'll be discussing some of the many projects, customizations, and solutions we created for our merchants over the years. My name is Tom, and I'll be your presenter for this video. Frequently we're asked by merchants about automating critical business processes. Some of the reasons they cited were that many of their processes were repetitive in nature and prone to error, they were falling short of their productivity goals, and many of their business processes required faster completion and turnaround. Also, they wanted to minimize staff intervention as much as possible. They realized automation was the only way they could grow their business profitably, so they contacted us for help. In this presentation, we'll explore 12 solutions designed, developed, and implemented by Marketplace Reporting, automating a variety of business processes. The 12 projects in this presentation highlight the variety of solutions and technologies we've used for many of our merchants. These projects represent integrations with Amazon, BigCommerce, TaxJar, Skubana, Channel Advisor, Braintree, Shopify, SKUVault, Google Sheets, and more. Some of the technologies used with our project include REST API, JSON, XML, FTP, SQL, MS SQL Server, MWS API, and others. Over the years, we've created hundreds of automations and integrations for our merchants. If you include custom reports, then it's easily in the thousands. Let's get started with the project's customizations and solutions overview presentation. Starting at the top left of the screen, we'll be discussing each project in order. We'll start first with Amazon RealTime orders, then the remainder of the projects in the following order: Daily Sales Report, TaxJar integration, Vendor Cost Monitor, Affiliates Processor, Channel Advisor Distribution Centers, Braintree Payment Tokens, Amazon Marketplace Repricing, eBay Shipping Policy, Channel Advisor Repricing, Warehouse Dashboard, and finally, Google Sheets integration. Let's begin the project's customization and solutions overview presentation. The Amazon Real-Time Orders project entails retrieving Amazon FBM orders using the orders endpoint from the Amazon MWS API. This solution enables a merchant to retrieve Amazon orders in real time so they can meet their production schedule and shipment of orders. Platforms: Amazon. The technologies used for this project include Amazon MWS API, XML, JSON, SQL, and MS SQL Server for data storage. The Daily Sales Report entails downloading sales data from Skubana and customer group and group assignments from BigCommerce. This data was used to generate the Daily Sales Report of customer sales collated by customer group. The report is automatically generated and emailed to a list of recipients each morning. The platforms used were BigCommerce and Skubana. The technologies used for this project included REST API, JSON, SMTP, SQL, and MS SQL Server database for data storage. The TaxJar project entails collecting taxable sales and returns and transmitting the same to TaxJar. A TaxJar synchronizer was created to monitor the sales database 24/7, 365 for taxable sales and returns and transmit those to TaxJar. The platform involved with this integration is TaxJar and a customer sales database. The technologies used for this project include REST API, JSON, SQL, and MS SQL Server for data storage. The Vendor Cost Monitor project entails monitoring vendor price changes. We created the Vendor Cost Monitor utility, which is designed to run 24/7, 365, automatically monitoring two of their largest vendors for price changes. Once changes have been determined, the new prices are automatically uploaded to Skubana. Email notification is sent to recipients alerting them of changes. The platform involved with this integration is Skubana and various vendor sites. The technologies we use for this project include REST API, JSON, and SMTP. The Affiliates Processor project entails monitoring and identifying affiliate transactions in a sales database. We created a utility, the Affiliates Processor, which is designed to run 24/7, 365, automatically monitoring and checking sales and product data for affiliate assignments. Weekly and monthly sales revenue reports are sent via email to affiliates as necessary. Whether it's weekly or monthly, affiliates get their revenue and commission reports quickly and inexpensively. The technologies used for this project include SMTP, SQL, and MS SQL Server for the data store. The Channel Advisor Distribution Centers project uploads inventory quantities to various distribution centers on Channel Advisor for use on the marketplaces. We created the distribution sync, which uploads the current quantity on hand for all suppliers with a defined distribution center every 30 minutes. 14 suppliers every 30 minutes equals 670 file uploads per day, an impossible task to do manually. The platforms involved with this integration include Channel Advisor and various marketplaces like Amazon, eBay, and Walmart. The technologies used for this project include REST API, FTP, SMTP, SQL, and MS SQL Server for the data store. The Braintree Payment Tokens project retrieves payment tokens from Braintree for expired authorizations. We created an integrator for Braintree that checks for payment tokens every 10 minutes. This feature is user selectable. The integrator runs every 10 minutes, 24/7, 365 automatically, retrieving payment tokens for every order online. The platform involved with this integration is Braintree. The technologies used for this project include REST API, SQL, and MS SQL Server for the data store. The Amazon Marketplace Repricing project created a central hub for repricing products for the marketplaces. The hub contained all the necessary features to calculate a new price based on the preset markup percent, market fees percent, any additional amount to include in the new price, and finally settings for the price floor and ceiling. Several synchronizers were built to integrate with Amazon, Shopify, and SKU Vault. Product info came from SKU Vault. Pricing info was set to Amazon, Shopify, and SKU Vault. The synchronizers run 24/7, 365 automatically, pulling and pushing data as needed. The platforms involved in this integration include Amazon, SKU Vault, and Shopify. The technologies used for this project include REST API, MWS API, SQL, and MS SQL Server for the data store. The eBay Shipping Policy project calculates shipping policies for use with eBay's estimated ship and delivery by dates. Turnaround times are calculated based on supplier warehouse product availability. The turnaround time in conjunction with the eBay Ship Policy attribute determines the eBay shipping policy. Changes to turnaround time are checked every 10 minutes and updates are transmitted to Channel Advisor as necessary. The platform involved with this integration is Channel Advisor and eBay. The technologies used for this project include REST API, SQL, and MS SQL Server for the data store. The Channel Advisor Repricing project recalculates product pricing when product costs, shipping costs, map, or default supplier changes are detected. The Repricer sync uses the current cost, average ship costs, box costs, estimated market fees, and uploads those recalculated prices to Channel Advisor in real time. The Repricer sync checks every 10 minutes for any products in the repricing queue. Any products found in the queue will reprice and sent to Channel Advisor. The platforms involved in this integration are Channel Advisor. The technologies used for this project include REST API, SMTP, SQL, and MS SQL Server for the data store. The Warehouse Dashboard project provides greater visibility into warehouse operations so performance and productivity can be easily determined by anyone working in the warehouse. The Warehouse Dashboard was especially beneficial for managers at all levels to gauge the daily performance of warehouse operations by providing a big picture overview of their daily activities. The platform involved with this integration was Windows 10 operating system. The technologies used for this project include Delphi, SQL, and MS SQL Server for the data store. Decision makers were at disparate locations worldwide, so they used Google Sheets for team members to share and collaborate on purchasing decisions. It all begins with the Google Sheets synchronizer automatically generating two separate product replenishment reports from Marketplace Reporting at the designated time. The reports are uploaded every hour to their corresponding Google Sheets. Decision makers can now view replenishment data any time of the day or night from anywhere in the world. The data is always up to date and ready for them to use. The platforms involved with this integration are Google Sheets and Skubana. The technologies used for this project include REST API, SQL, and MS SQL Server for the data store. This concludes our presentation of the project and customizations overview found at marketplacereporting.com/projects. In summary, in this presentation we provide a summary of each of the 12 projects found on our projects page. Use this presentation to determine which automation videos are best suited for your situation. Projects we presented are a snapshot of the many projects and customizations we provided merchants throughout the years. The 12 projects we presented highlight the variety of solutions and technologies showcasing our capabilities. Business process automation is a specialty of ours. Let your computers do what it does best, process data. Automation is crucial for any business, especially yours. It's what we do, and we do it well. You can contact us at sales@Marketplace Reporting to learn more about Marketplace Reporting and how we can help. Join the conversation at marketplacereporting.com/blog. Be sure to subscribe to our channel, click the like button, and share with your colleagues. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.